Hello again, it is Crafty Mama Dawn with DBD Crafts, and I am going to finish using up my paint and do 2 more pours. This one is a 6x12 canvas, and I am going to do 3 colors only. So we're going to do black, and remember these paints are mixed with Floetrol, Elmer's glue, a little bit of Liquitex medium gloss varnish, and water. That's it. So I'm doing that teal, silver, and black. And I think that's probably enough. So, let's see. I think I'm just going to do a straight pour. Okay. I threw my gloves away. Probably should torch. I don't know if you can see the air bubbles popping, but there are a lot of air bubbles in here. And I will work on getting a tripod. I have one, I just could not find it anywhere. Oh, I love the way that's reacting with the black on the turquoise or teal. Okay. Avoided an accident. Well, I almost avoided an accident. That's why I had it wrapped over the side over there. Just took off a little bit of the paint right here where I grabbed. So I will just pour a little bit over there. Pretty color combination. It takes 24 hours for this to dry. Well, 12 maybe. I usually let it sit for 24. Anxious to see what the sheen is with the varnish in it. I'm just going to torch just a little bit this section right here because I'd like to see some more cells or veining instead of just a pool of teal. Okay, I think that is good. I'm gonna set it on this side. That's got some beautiful color in it. Maybe I should just turn it around because that's got really pretty color in it. Okay, and then I'm going to do another pour while I've got this all set up and use up the rest of my paint. We'll go ahead and use this. I'm going to use the rest of the orange. I'm going to use the rest of the turquoise, or teal. It's actually teal, not turquoise. I'm going to use some of this copper. I'm not going to use all of that copper. Not loving the copper very much. I'm going to use more black. Not a lot. I'm going to put a couple extra drops of silicone in here. Give it a stir, just because. Flip cup it. Let it set for a few minutes. And then what I usually do is just clean up. I wash everything. What I can save, I do, because I'm cheap. And I try to make sure that I'm being environmentally responsible. There isn't, what I'm doing has absolutely no fume to it, no smell, so I'm really not worried about the environment for my health in the studio. It's not bad at all in here, and I've done much stinkier jobs down here. Okay, we're just gonna let it go. I didn't tape the bottom of these two canvases, mostly because I was lazy, to be quite honest. The paint was sitting out for a long time, and I really wanted to just get to it. I had already used up, I think this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 7th and 8th pour today, so I think that's plenty. I've got some, I went and bought some large canvases, and I'm really excited to try on the large canvases too. I've never done a large one, so I am excited to do a large one, and I'll probably do my favorite color scheme, which is black, white, and silver. I might change it up and do black, white, and gold, but I think it's going to be silver, to be quite honest. I'm not really a brass kind of a girl or a bronzy type of a girl. I like silver. Silver is my favorite. I'm just wiping down this back side here. And getting this back corner. This canvas appears to have silicone or something on it because it's actually repelling the paint. So I don't know if I had it on my glove or what. But it's, I'm going to grab my knife again. I had actually already cleaned up a lot of my supplies. I don't know if you can see this, but it's actually the white of the canvas is coming through here. So I'm going to try and cover those spots with more paint. Not really sure why it's doing that, unless I just had some, if I had silicone, say on my glove, and I was touching the canvas there, it would just slide the silicone right off, unfortunately. I mean the paint. So hopefully I can get it to cover and stay here. Sorry about the angle. I do realize I'm giving you my armpit or something. My dogs have been barking all day. My husband is out of town, and my dogs have just been barking all day. It's like he's never gone out of town before, which is not true. He has lots. Anyway, I will come back and look at this in a few minutes and pick up any of the, cover up the canvases again, anywhere where the paint has run off and exposed it. In the meantime, I'm going to take my gloves off, and I'm going to go in close up for these two, and then show you the stack of how I let my canvases dry. So here we are. That is me. Let's get you over here. So I like that little bit of pink coming through in this one. Not as much orange. And there's some mint green. So that's kind of cool. And then this is the first one that we did with the teal, silver, and black. Just the 3 colors. So I really like that. That's good. Okay. And then we'll walk you over here. And this is how I store them to dry. So you can see them. They're stacked in there. They're sealed in. No dust or anything is going to get on there. And I'll just check them in the morning. Anyway, thanks again for watching my videos. And remember to check me out. DBD Crafts on Instagram, Facebook. Yeah. And my Etsy shop. Okay, great. Have a great day. Here's another one. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So, this was just the 3 colors. Metallic silver, teal, and black. And I think maybe my favorite pour. I think. Look at that. Really, really, really beautiful.